Hi! Stop, I'm obsessed. It's so cute. There's your size comparison. How do I get it off now? And welcome to it. Welcome to my channel. Today here we have the brand new Nintendo Switch 2 and I'm so excited. It's currently release day and this was delivered literally while I slept. I did the pre-order from Walmart and when I woke up this morning I had a text saying that my Walmart order was delivered, which was crazy. I thought I was going to have to wait all day, so I'm very excited about that. I did get the version including the new Mario Kart World game because that is like the game personally that I think I play the most is Mario Kart. Games are $80 now, which is crazy. So it was like very slightly discounted, I think, if I got it as a bundle. So that's what I got. I do have some accessories, like some really cute things to customize the Switch with and make it really cute and aesthetic and cozy, but obviously we need to unbox it first. So let's go ahead and get into unboxing it. I don't know why I'm like nervous to touch it and open it. Amazing. This is crazy. I bought my first ever Switch back in 2020 or maybe 2021. I can't remember, but I loved it and I remember playing it during like the COVID era. And now, wow, this screen is huge. Here's a first look at what the box looks like. We have the screen and then your two controllers. Wow, so nice. Oh my gosh. Next one. Wow. Is this supposed to be like red or orange? I don't know, you tell me. Okay, now for the screen. Wow, this thing is hefty. Okay, I'm really excited. All right, so we have a USB-C port down on the bottom, but then also on the top, headphone, game card, a volume and power button. Okay, I don't want to get my fingerprints all over it already. We have our little stand here. Oh, she can lay flat. Okay, let's see what else is in here before we get too excited. Whoa, okay, there's a lot more. Oh, okay, so the game, they just sent like a little code sheet for the game. Instructions, lots of cables. Ooh, these are the little thingies that go on the controllers. Wait, let's see what this looks like. Oh, okay. Cute, looks very nice. And that was very simple. I wonder if I just like, how do I get it off now? Oh, I need to do that again. Okay, so we like, okay, cool. That's gonna take some getting used to. Orange. All right, then we have a Nintendo branded HDMI to HDMI cord. Okay, here's what I'm looking at now. Oh, all right, this fun little controller thing. Oh my gosh, I am literally gonna battle with these things. Honestly though, they're easier than the Nintendo Switch 1 controllers because I feel like I literally like battled with those all the time. Like getting the extra, like these things on and off was a nightmare. I struggled and almost broke it and got it stuck like multiple times. Just like magnetizes in, then we have our remote. And do I just like yank them off? Gosh. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, just yank them off. You have a USB-C to USB-C cord. Need to keep all my cords organized. All right, continuing with what's in the box. We have the dock. Wow, this one is pretty hefty. She looks like, I was watching a few videos educating myself. There's a fan in here, built in here to kind of cool it down because if you do plug it in, it can support 4K if it's on the dock, like plugged into a TV. I do have a 4K monitor. Maybe I should test it out. I don't really do much crazy gaming with the Switch. I do just like Mario Kart socially with friends. But maybe this will be a change in my life. I will start gaming more on the Switch, we'll see. All right, and then, oh my gosh, a power block. Nice. I think I'm like so used to not getting these with tech products nowadays that it's like a nice little treat whenever you actually do get one. Okay, we have the dock, the Switch, two controllers, this thing, two of these things, and a power block. Okay, I wanted to try out magnetizing these for the first time with you together because I'm really curious to see how the magnetization will work. Watching a video where they pointed out that all these different little pins and things might end up getting bent by children who are playing with this, like if they're like aggressively pushing this back in and out, but hopefully we'll be fine. Okay, that was smooth. Yeah, okay, wow. Yeah, this is big. Let me grab my old one. All right, here's my old Switch, which unfortunately is dead and won't turn on, which is why I upgraded in the first place. But basically, for some reason, this thing just completely stopped turning on. And I don't know, I got it, I think 2021. It was really not even that old, and it's not like we aggressively used it either. Like, it was like maybe a 4 times a month thing, like. So I don't know why it died. Don't know how to fix it, so we just got a new one, and wow. This one is so small compared to the new big one. There's your size comparison. Flip it around for you. Back comparison. It's like a little bit like a controller size almost. Extra added on. Like, hello, that's crazy. Okay, well, that's all you get for the comparison. I would show you like with the screens turned on, but this thing is a piece of crap now. Okay, what do we say we turn it on? Okay, so there is a release button. That's embarrassing. Ooh. Oh, come on. Okay, well, I was excited that maybe I'd be able to get some of the stuff off of this dead Switch if I did this little setup that it's having me do, but it wants me to insert the old memory card, which I have. Obviously, you saw me just take it out, but since it's not an express micro SD card, it won't work, which is confusing. Like, why would it allow it to work in my first Switch at all if it wasn't gonna be compatible with the other Switch? So, kind of frustrating, but that's okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, all my games. Need to get our Mario Kart. Okay, seeing all the different games in Mario Kart World. Okay, I've heard about this cool welcome tour, but it's $10 like to do it. It actually like teaches you how to use the new controllers and everything, but it's $10, so I will not be buying. Donkey Kong. Oh, it's only a pre-order. This is what I want. I want that. But it's not till July. That's so sad. Okay, enter code. Okay, I wanted to do a test of what it would be like if we put the first old original Nintendo Switch Animal Crossing in and see how it goes, because right now I'm downloading the Mario Kart World and Super Smash Bros. Just finished downloading. Oh, it's an interesting mechanism. There it is. Let's open her up. Oh, why am I always spilling coffee? Oh no, my white wall. Dang it, I mean, at least it wasn't on the new Switch. Okay, have a new iced coffee. Great, not on the floor, so it's already better than the last one. We have our Switch over here, and then I have some new accessories that I ordered on Amazon. There really weren't many options, so we'll see how this one comes together. I think I'll probably do something different in the future, but I wanted to just have something fun in the meantime until more cool accessories come out. So I thought we could first do a little customization and then go and play Mario Kart World for the first time. So let's put the case on. Also found out there is a release button to make taking them off easier instead of just yanking them. Okay, that wasn't too painful. Although there are like little spots to be able to use the stand still, but obviously you can't. Maybe unless I put it on wrong, I don't know. Cute. Okay, well that fit perfect. So cute. Then I have these little mini thumb pad cover things. They're little levets. They're so cute. I don't really have high hopes of them fitting because, oh well, maybe. Okay, I managed to get the little joycon thumb things on. They're so stinking cute. Now the last thing is I had some USB-C like charms that I had ordered, but they didn't come in yet. So I put this little dangle charm. I'm just gonna loop it through up here at the top. Snug on there. Oh my gosh. Stop, I'm obsessed. It's so cute. All right, last accessory I ordered was this carry-on case. I had a carry-on case for the other Switch I have. This one is a little bigger, it's a little chunkier, but wow, it has a lot of game card slots. I liked it because it had spots for all the cords and the power blocks and everything. So let's go ahead and put all of this back in here. Okay, about to go in and set up Mario Kart, but I did want to say something else that was really cool about my delivery this morning was it came in a bag with a note that said, "Thank you, level up with these free game-ready snacks while you play." And there was a Coke bottle and Pringles in the bag, like for free. That was so fun. It was literally like Christmas morning, walking onto my front porch and seeing that so early at 7 a.m. when I woke up. Welcome to my living room. It is time to try out the new Mario Kart World game for the first time ever. I have my cute controllers ready, I have my assistant here. I'm mostly excited to see the different new characters. I've heard that there's a lot of cute girls, and that's what I've really been needing. Everybody, please let me know your go-to Mario Kart character. Mine has always been Waluigi ever since I was a kid. Don't know why, really, but that's what I was picked. So comment down below your go-to Mario Kart character. Okay, I wanted to try out this, I think this is new, this knockout tour. Oh my gosh, look at all these people. Pauline, hello. Oh my gosh, baby Peach, cuter than ever. Oh, you have to unlock everyone else. All right, I'm gonna go with Peach. Look at these cars. Wait, this one is cute, looks like a bow. Wow. So many options. I've never had this many options. All right, my first ever race. I'm scared. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, there it says in the bottom right corner, I have to be 20th or better. Oh gosh. Oh, keep going, girl. Ah! How long is this lap? Am I? Whoa. Okay, I'm a little confused. Oh, here's the check mark where I have to be 20th. Oh, okay, now it's 16th or better. Oh, so this is gonna take a while. Oh, I'm on the edge. There's like a lot of just like new, random little things I feel like it's gonna take me forever to notice. I'm actually really excited because we're having all of our friends over this weekend as like a mini early birthday party for me. Whoa, wait, I can get more than 10 coins? Anyways, we're having a bunch of people over this weekend to play the new Switch. So basically, I need to be grinding this for the next little while. Oh my gosh, okay. Have to get first. Okay, so it looks like there's only like 2 other people competing. Okay, I think my camera cut me off, but I got second. Close finish there, and I got second. But it was really fun. It's a bit of a long thing, but I really like that new style. If you loved this video, which I know you did, or you just love my vibe, I would love if you would subscribe and stick around. Here on my channel, I do lots of lifestyle and tech crossovers often, and this was so much fun. I'm very excited to keep playing on this Switch and customizing it. Don't forget to comment down below your go-to Mario Kart character. And I think that's where this video is going to end. So thank you guys so much for watching, as always, and I hope to see you here again soon. Bye!